Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes using Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the QR code option. To scan a QR code, tap on the QR code icon located at the top right corner of your screen. You can now scan any QR code directly from Instagram. And this is how you can scan QR codes using Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.